This is feedback for Donna on our IC1. So first of all, the intro, major problem, you didn't write your thesis. And I think with you as well, you wrote your thesis on your outline, but you didn't write it here. So make sure you put those two together because this brought a lot of marks down just for this little thing. Other than that, it was okay. Spelling, this word is not spelled correctly. WWF means wrong word form. So instead of used, it might be something like used, using, or to use. So you got to figure out which one that is. Here in the body paragraphs, I was wondering, because is this your thesis here? You're saying cause health and social problems. I was wondering if that maybe was your thesis and you wrote in the wrong place, but then you don't have a topic sentence. So either way, something's missing. Here you're giving examples. Make sure you give a point and then give an example. Here you're missing an example in here as well, and here. So your body paragraph, this is way too short. And just by adding these three examples would definitely make it a lot better. In the second body paragraph, similar, a lot of missing examples. Give a concluding sentence, like restating the topic sentence. And here, the sentence is not even needed. Just repeat it. You just said that, it can lead to family problems, and then you said it could also lead to family problems. So, not needed to repeat. I thought this was a good point that you made. Another problem is this would be like a point that you would make. It makes kids want to sit alone and then give an example of that. Here in the conclusion, same thing. Restate the thesis. Here you're going straight to your opinion. And you should be saying the thesis over right here. So that should be moved down. And, oh, no, here it is. Social problems and damages. But this should be first, right? So your opinion should not go first. That's why I say move this down. Wrong word. Make the changes, upload it into port 1, week 9.